I'm going to cook a spicy beef fry today. For this recipe, I'm using nearly 500 grams of diced beef. You can use gravy beef or any other beef that you like. So I have some curry leaves and green chilies, one large onion, garlic and ginger. I finely slice it. You can use the paste instead. Some pepper, half a cup of water, 2 tomatoes, and for the spices I have some chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder and allspice, and I'm going to use a little bit of coconut oil and salt. To start this recipe, I'm going to fry onions, curry leaves and ginger garlic. I added nearly a tablespoon of coconut oil into my pressure cooker. I'm going to do pressure cooking because it takes long time to cook. So adding the ginger and garlic, and into that going to add the curry leaves and then the onions. I'm going to leave half of the onion for the fry later, and the tomatoes. I'm going to cook this until the aroma comes out and the onions are cooked. When that is ready, I'm going to add the beef, and into that going to add half a cup of water and going to pressure cook this about 15 minutes. After cooking that several minutes, add the spices instead. Adding the mixed spices, leave the mixed spices and add all the other spices and mix it and close the lid again. I finished cooking the beef, so going to add a little bit of oil into the pan again, and into the pan the curry leaves and the onions, and I'm going to cook this about 5 minutes until nice and soft. Not actually 5 minutes, about 2 minutes enough. When the onion is soft enough, add the cooked beef into the mix and fry it about 5-10 minutes until there is no liquid at all. After several minutes, add the pepper and the mixed spices and mix it well and cook this until there is no gravy at all. The spicy beef fry is ready, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching.